guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fake frame video edit on CapCut PC. So you can add in PNGs, but I just prefer to go to stickers and then scroll down until you find the frame section here, and you can choose from a variety of frames. You have this one, which is basically like kind of the rear view mirror. Is that what it's called? I don't drive, so you have this one, which is like really cool. Maybe like scale it down and then maybe like crop this as well. So like go to mask and then select the mirror one and like rotate that to fit in the frame like so. You can even add in shadows if you'd like to. I'll just use this for an example. Maybe we should use this one instead as well. There we go. And you can like go to media, go to library, and add in a shadow underneath the frame. I'm just going to freeze frame it so that I can make this longer. So go to rectangle, and I'm also going to kind of hit the reverse button on that. I'm going to also make the edges a little bit rounded, and then you can like feather that out to create kind of like a shadow. It's going to be different for every frame as well, but yeah, that is it. Super simple. You can use any stickers that you wish to use, of course. I quite like the like plain one or the like mirror one. They have a lot of options for you to choose from, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!